प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने देखा था evolution, definition, goals, application and field of AI. And now in this video also I am going to continue with some more basic concepts of AI. So पहले start करते हैं with categorization of AI task. So AI tasks are classified into three categories. First is mundane task. So mundane tasks include perception. Perception मतलब computer vision. Then NLP means natural language processing. So natural language processing का मतलब है speech recognition, analysis and interaction. Then reasoning, planning and physical control of robot. Secondly, अगर हम बात करते हैं तो formal की, तो formal tasks include mathematical operations like differentiation, integration, then derivation of logic, game playing, verification, theorem proving, etc. Then third category is of expert task. So expert task की पहली application है engineering. So for example, in branch of civil engineering, it can lead to smart construction by project planning, risk mitigation and safety using artificial intelligence. As well as this AI can also be used for post construction and waste management, etc. So next application is of scientific analysis. So in scientific analysis, like examining cluster of stars in astronomy, then detection of different galaxies. In astronomy, a program called Morpheus is already present. Then in rocket science, applications of AI are health monitoring of spacecraft, autonomous navigation, feature detection for planetary exploration, etc. In the field of chemistry also, an expert system called Dendral is already present for chemical analysis of molecular structure. और अगर हम बात करते हैं फिजिक्स फील्ड की, तो लेट अस टेक अ कॉमन एग्जांपल. आपको याद होगा गॉड पार्टिकल. सो दैट गॉड पार्टिकल वाज आल्सो डिस्कवर्ड यूजिंग न्यूरल नेटवर्क एज वेल एज एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑफ बोस-आइंस्टाइन कंडेंसेट वाज अगेन परफॉर्म्ड in 2016 with the help of AI system. Next application is financial analysis. So in the field of finance also it can be used for trend analysis, price prediction, etc. Then next है medical diagnosis. So medical diagnosis की field में भी जो expert system present है, those are mycin for identifying different bacteria and infections to a particular person, as well as this mycin system is also used for recommendation of drugs based on patient's weight. Then second example is of CADET, which is used for identifying cancer at early stages. Position of AI. So AI is composed of reasoning, learning, perception, problem solving and linguistic intelligence. So first of all, what is reasoning? Reasoning is a set of process that helps us to make any judgment, prediction or decisions. So reasoning basically दो types के होते हैं, या तो inductive और deductive. So inductive reasoning takes observations from given sentence to make more broader ones, and deductive examines all the possibilities of given sentence to reach to a particular logical conclusion. So inductive reasoning के पास initially कोई particular instance होते हैं, like XYZ is a scholar student and XYZ is studious. So inductive reasoning leads us to generalization of conclusion from particular instances. So what is the generalization of conclusion? It is nothing but all scholar students are studious. Second, deductive reasoning के पास initially generalized principle होता है, like all scholar students are studious, and this deductive reasoning will lead us to particular conclusion, like ABC is scholar and C is studious. Second is learning. So learning is the activity of gaining knowledge or experience from surrounding environment. Now classification. So first is auditory. Auditory learning is done by listening. Second is episodic. So this is done by remembering a sequence of event. Third is motor. So this type of learning is done by movement of muscles in human. For example, writing with along with reading. Then fourth is observational. So this type of learning is performed by watching or copying others. Then perceptual. So this type of learning is done by recognition of a stimuli. For example, ability to distinguish between different colors, different orders, or different even shades of colors also. Then comes rational. So rational learning is done by differentiating various stimuli. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल सपोज़ आपने कोई एक रेसिपी बनाई एंड उसमें 1 टीस्पून सॉल्ट ऐड किया बट द रेसिपी वॉज टू सॉल्टी. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम जब भी आप वो रेसिपी रिपीट करोगे तो यू विल रिमेंबर योर लास्ट एक्शन दैट 1 टीस्पून ऑफ सॉल्ट वॉज टू मच. सो ऑब्वियसली आप दिस टाइम 1 टीस्पून से कम ही ऐड करोगे, राइट. दिस वॉज द एग्जाम्पल. Next is spatial learning. So spatial learning is done with the help of visual images, color, graph, etc. And last is stimulus response learning. So this type of learning is a reaction to any particular action. So perception is the process of acquiring knowledge and interpreting with it. It also concerned with the selection and organization of sensory information. Now fourth is प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ परसेप्शन जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन हमने गैदर की थी, एक्वायर की थी, सो वी हैव टू यूज़ ऑल दोज इंफॉर्मेशन इन प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग. सो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग डील्स विथ यूजिंग ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एंड ट्राइंग टू रीच एट सम डिजायर्ड स्टेट बाय सिलेक्टिंग अ पर्टिकुलर पाथ आउट ऑफ मैनी. सो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग इज ऑल्सो कंसर्न्ड ऑन डिसीजन मेकिंग. Now the final is fifth is linguistic intelligence. So it is nothing but the ability of any person to use, speak and write any language, as well as the ability to comprehend any language. Thank you.